I've got the YNL shower curtain rod. This is a very nice shower curtain rod and very easy to put together. So let's start with this side. So here's what goes on the end right here. As you can see, that's how it shows at the end. The ending rods, the rods that you place at the end are a little bit different than the rods in the middle. So as you can see, there's nothing there, nothing there. These are the middle rods. You can make this as small or as big as you want. This is the size that I'm going for. So we're gonna come up here with this. This has it's like a nice little padded vibe. That way you're not, gonna keep everything nice and protected. So that's on. We're not gonna use this one. It could be longer. We don't need ours to be that long. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna screw this one in. And so as you can see, that's on the end there. So I'm gonna come in here, push these together, screw them in, screw it in. And then I'm gonna come here. And as you can see, this end, you can adjust it. So it'll adjust. This is always gonna be the thing on the end. I'm gonna put this on the end here. All right, so let's put it up now. We'll get this up like so. And basically we're gonna pull that out and then just twist it a bit to lock it in place. And it is locked into place. We can move this a little bit. And it's locked into place. And then we have 12 of these to hold the shower curtain up. So I'll just show you one just so you get the vibe. Very easy to use. Just hook that into the shower curtain, hook it around. Let me just get one over here. And that would just clip the shower curtain in. So amazing. Highly recommend.